We are here at Democracy Day.
Let's get it. Oh.
This is an opportunity for us to introduce all the new students at Johns Hopkins to the importance of the way in which democracy should be a part of their undergraduate experience.
Democracies are under enormous challenges.
We all have an essential role to play.
Democratic citizenship takes work. It's hard. It can be frustrating. It can be overwhelming, but it is so worth it.
I've met people with incredibly different views, incredibly different backgrounds, and I think that's all what our democracy is about.
It's okay to disagree. We kind of need to disagree. It allows us to be able to embrace outside perspectives, which is really important once we actually go into the real world.
Through debate, not through defensiveness, just listening with an open mind.
The best way that we can forge a common life together, whether it's at Hopkins or out in the world, is to embrace the free and open expression of ideas.